How do you think the identity of younger generations of Jews differs from yours?
Mm. Well, I think the younger generation who are Orthodox seem to be, they see all the joy of the faith, which is so different than what was going on in my life. I think if I had been exposed to the fun of Judaism, the fun of the Sabbath, instead of all I was exposed to was the restrictions of the Sabbath. Don't put the lights on. You can't write. You can't do this. Instead of embracing it and having more of additional members of the community as part of our lives, we were so isolated, always. So that isolation made me want to break out. As opposed to embrace the faith, I became to resent the faith because of that isolation and the restrictions. So I think I'm friendly with one woman who is modern Orthodox, and her life, it looks great because, she's totally embracing our society and bringing the faith into it, where we were not embracing the society, and the faith was all these negative restrictions and limits. There was always, don't do this, don't do that.